tell me a little bit about like coming from that. Is there oftentimes you see like you hear the story of like multi-generation entrepreneurs and businesses fail because the kids get spoiled, rotten, and then they just
that
have
was
no.
not the case in our side, because what happened is my grandfather died early. All the brothers, after a little while, started fighting with each other. So there was no time for kids to get spoiled. I wish I was spoiled.
Yeah. So there was no spoiling. Tell me, why did the fighting prevent
Inheritance,
because
man.
there was still a lot of money to go around.
Yeah, but look, this is what I've now that I'm in this business, commercial real estate, I'm actually seeing this a lot more. And it's very funny when I see it with other people in other cultures. Mm-hmm. I'm like, oh yeah, this is exactly what's probably going to happen, right?
Yeah.
Look, man, what happens is, obviously I'm the next generation, so I'm obviously not privy to all the conversations, right? I think what happens is that people have misunderstandings. One person might think that they have the dominant hand, so they might want to move harder on that, right? Different people are at different stages in life, right? So I'm sure, it takes two to tango, right? I'm sure there's no one person at fault.
Yeah.
But, when these things start unraveling, they start unraveling pretty quickly, right? There's no middle ground. There is no stages. Because one person might want more, he does this, then everybody else feels aggrieved, then everybody starts, it becomes a free-for-all after a little while, right?
Yeah.
So it's that sort of thing. I mean, now I joke with my father, now that they're in their old age, now they all want to be close together. And I'm like, dude, like, what the fuck?
They like hated each other for 15 years and now they
I was like, bro, you can't do this for like 25 years and then just be like, all right, let's kind of, before we die, let's just hang out.